Hello everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel Salsa Moves, where we break down salsa moves. Literally in the middle on the 5th salsa trick for men to do on the dance floor. This one I call the proposal. Yes, you have to get down on one knee or two, I don't know, you'll see. And if you like to understand what I'm doing with these videos, you can check on the previous ones because I want to keep them small. I don't want to talk about it in every video. Well, this is a 10 series. Let's go to it. Okay, now that was the proposal. You get it? We get down on one knee. All right. You gotta be careful. If you have bad knees and you want to call that as an excuse, use it. I have 2-time surgery on the right knees and what we call thick bone sticking out here. So when I put down the knee, it does hurt. But if I go all the way down and about a centimeter before I reduce the speed and I control it, there is no pain. Okay, very little, just your body weight. So in order not to make it painful, don't drop on the knee. I'm not going to do it because I'm going to damage the knee, but don't drop. Boom. Control it. Bam. Okay? So since I'm here without the lady, I'll show first. We're going 1, 2, 3. Down with the right on 5. Change down on 6. Up on 7. Okay? So try to make that like a reflex. 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up. To finish off, turn to your left. Just a half a turn, 1, 2, 3, okay? And you continue with the forward foot on 1. Now with the lady, you should look like this. 1, 2, cross body lead. Lift your elbow up so you make space, guys. 5, 6, 7. Now push your body. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time on this side. 1, 2, 3. Proposal, 6, 7. You can do a head roll if you like when you come up. Boom, 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 and you can do whatever you like to continue from there. La 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 combinations. Okay? I hope you like it. This is one of my favorites to do. It always surprises the lady and gives her a smile. And again, if your lady's smiling, you're smiling, you have connection, you have chemistry, and you have a fun dance. I'm Alexandros, with me Sandria. We're from the Island of Cyprus. This is the 10 mini-series of guys' tricks. We're going to have for ladies right after that one. I upload one every day, so subscribe and click the bell icon or join our Facebook group so you can see where I post the new ones every day. And lastly, if you like, support us on Patreon or a one-time donation, which we have the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care. Be healthy. See you on the next video.